So I'm inspired by YouTube to do an unboxing video of my first class welcome pack here on the train number 1 Rossiya, which must have come about 3,000 kilometers already from Vladivostok and probably another 6,000 to go to Moscow. Anyway, here is the pack, and I think they do this kind of thing, don't they, on YouTube? And they look inside. Oh, look at that, there's bread rolls and things. Am I going to do this with one hand? Oh, I am. Look, lid's coming off. I'm so excited. And inside there are not one, but 2 bread rolls and some oriental green tea, for which I shall need a special Rossiya mug. I'll get one of those in a minute. And some black Ceylon tea as well. And then look at that, isn't that cute? I've got some chocolate. I wonder if that's dark chocolate or milk chocolate. I suspect it's milk chocolate. And then a wet one. Fantastic. I'm not quite sure what, oh, that's sweet of some kind, I think. Not really sure. I guess that's sugar. So there you go. And I get some mineral water as well. Yum.